Hello! Video about recording by the ProSmart version 3.1 device of new keys for Lexus RX300 2019 with their full loss. This device is ProSmart version 3.1. Certification unit with a car key. A tested car, Lexus RX300 2019. Enter the car and click on the Start button. The engine does not start, and on the dashboard a message about the absence of a key in the salon. Now press the Start button with a new key. The engine also does not start. Check the operation of the new key buttons. They are not working. This is the ProSmart device. This is a new car certification unit. Connect the ProSmart device to the car LIN bus and disconnect the connectors from the original certification unit. It is seen that the new unit is connected to the car. Buttons of a new key also don't work with a new certification unit. Click on the Start button. The ignition is turned on, but the engine does not start. Connect the ProSmart device to the car OBD connector. Green LED lights up and a beep sounds. Attaching a new key to the Start/Stop button. Beep indicates successfully key recording. We take out the ProSmart device from the OBD connector and press the Start button. The engine starts. Then we turn off the engine. Check the operation of the recorded key buttons. It can be seen that the key buttons work normally. Several times we start and turn off the engine. Exit the car and check the operation of the car central lock. The central lock also works normally. So, the new key was successfully written. Thanks to everyone for watching.